Hello everyone, welcome on Deep Info today. Let's talk about our solar system. Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered what's out there? Higher than the birds, beyond the clouds, and farther than the moon, there's an entire world of fascinating objects spinning in outer space. Let's imagine for a moment that we could leave Earth behind and explore the solar system around us. We call it the solar system because everything in it is centered around the sun, and solar means related to the sun. The sun is a star, just like the many stars you see in the night sky, but it's much closer to us. Even though it looks small, the sun is the largest object in our solar system. The sun's importance. The sun makes up more than 99% of the total mass of the solar system. If you combined all the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, they would make up less than 0.25% of the solar system's mass. The sun is so big that it's more than 100 times wider than Earth, and you could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. Its massive gravity keeps all the planets in orbit around it, preventing them from drifting into space. The sun also gives us life. Without it, there would be no heat or light. Plants wouldn't grow, water would freeze, and life couldn't exist. Exploring the planets. 1. Mercury. The first planet from the sun, Mercury, is the smallest in the solar system. Its surface is rocky and cratered, similar to the moon, and it has no atmosphere or moons. Temperatures are extreme, boiling in the sunlight and freezing in the shade. Mercury orbits the sun faster than any other planet, completing its journey in just 88 days. 2. Venus. Venus, the second planet, is often called Earth's sister because of its similar size and gravity. However, its surface is vastly different. Extremely hot and covered in thick clouds of carbon dioxide. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system due to its greenhouse effect. It shines brightly in the night sky, making it the second brightest object after the moon. 3. Earth. Earth, the third planet, is the only known planet to support life. It is often called the Goldilocks planet because it's not too hot or too cold. It's just right. 4. Mars. Mars, known as the red planet, gets its color from iron oxide, or rust, in its soil. It has a thin atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide and 2 small moons. Mars has water ice, and scientists are exploring whether humans could live there one day. 5. Jupiter. The largest planet, Jupiter, is a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium. It has at least 67 moons, including the largest moon in the solar system. Jupiter's famous Great Red Spot is a massive storm that has been raging for over 200 years. 6. Saturn. Saturn is famous for its stunning rings, made of ice, rock, and dust. It is the least dense planet, so if you could place Saturn in water, it would float. Saturn has over 60 moons, and is the farthest planet visible without a telescope. 7. Uranus. Uranus is unique because it rotates on its side. It is a bluish gas giant, thanks to methane in its atmosphere, and has 27 moons. 8. Neptune. The farthest planet from the sun, Neptune, is another blue gas giant with 14 moons. It takes Neptune a staggering 164 years to complete one orbit around the sun. What about Pluto? Discovered in 1930, Pluto was once the 9th planet in our solar system. However, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006 because of its small size and the discovery of similar objects in its region. So, our solar system officially has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. I hope you enjoyed exploring the solar system with me. Goodbye until next time.